Howdy ho, Stick Shift fans. I'm Ethan Parker.
I'm Brent
Thompson. And today we're going to say a giant thank you to RokBlokz. Thank you so much for answering our desperate plea. We barely have enough money to pay our cameraman. We're still getting started with the channel and everything. And so I actually bought some of these. RokBlokz generously decided to help us out with this video. Did you know that every RokBlokz package comes with Smarties? And I'm actually going to eat some of these to make me smarter because I'm going to need all the brain cells I can to make this install.
Like this attaches to your truck, and then that attaches to the...
Oh, it's like a mounting bracket.
Yeah.
Okay, and then, do you know what goes where already? Is this the back or the front?
I don't remember.
Oh, crap.
I think these are the back.
Hey, good music. Nice job, you guys. I need some more Smarties. I'm feeling pretty dumb. Every package comes with Smarties. It's a lot of fun. The bullet is actually squished into plastic, so it holds itself. That's kind of nice. This is a box of Craftsman tools, but it was the Evolve brand. It was just really cheap, and I needed a bunch of tools in one box. They have some rubberized green grips, and my older brother called me gay for having these. The tools work just fine, and so do Brent and I as a team. Luckily, he was around. I mean, I'm decently handy, but Brent, for some reason, that computer science mind of his, he really knew where everything went. So, lucky to have him around. This week on Idiot's Garage, we're just gonna turn this bit with a pair of needle nose pliers. It still worked pretty darn well. The middle part of the needle nose plier. One thing that's really nice about these RokBlokz is they are laser cut, so all the factory holes line up. They provide you the hardware that you need, and they go on real easy. We printed this tiny screwdriver holder, and we're gonna see if this works. There was a couple of Torx bits that were factory on the Chevy truck, and luckily that tiny little handle came in handy. But no, it went on just fine, and I even got to choose a color, so it's yellow and black, just like Stick Shift. We got that rear one on, it was looking really good. I'm super excited for the front one. I'll just mount up just like this. Cool looking logo and some extra protection. Big thanks again to RokBlokz for the sponsorship. You guys are awesome. These look amazing, and thanks again for the Smarties. I needed them.